Speedscale, continuous resiliency for cloud-native application delivery. Today's modern cloud applications are hit by intense forces and must perform in environments that are more distributed and complex than ever. It's hard to regulate the chaos that happens at release time. We all know that finding defects early is critical for preventing outages. But testing alone can't keep up with continuous delivery anymore. With agile development, automated pipelines, and elastic infrastructure, many companies have increased their rate of release by 200-fold or more. Accelerated releases also cause more test creation and maintenance work, conflicts over costly test environments, and automation breakdowns when thousands of API calls and ephemeral workloads are happening. Many companies stop relying on testing and instead choose to validate applications after delivery, using things like chaos tests, canary deployments, feature flags, and blue-green releases, then monitoring them in production. These trial runs are useful, but bad results may come in too late once changes are baked in for rollback to be an easy option. Plus, testing near production can impact your live customers in unexpected ways. Wouldn't it be great if you could control the weather and cool down this quality and release time in crisis? Activate Speedscale. Speedscale gives developers the superpower of continuous resiliency, inserting a simple step in your software release lifecycle that you can just set and forget most of the time. Like a virtual SRE bot, you install Speedscale in your software release pipeline, and it constantly checks the flow, validating new code, containers, and service requests prior to deployment. Send a service image through Speedscale, and it's like hooking it up to a web-scale weather forecaster, pounding it with all of the sunny and rainy day stress conditions it may face in the real world. Speedscale captures valid data and metrics from upstream and downstream systems and auto-generates thousands of scenarios, data sets, and tests that can spin up and down in seconds or faster. Developers get an easy self-service way to increase service resiliency by 80% or more by projecting a forecast of success and spotting configuration defects almost instantly in the flow of their release process. If the container or service code fails a stress test, Speedscale will throw an exception so your CI/CD automation can prevent the bad release from reaching customers and send an alert to your IT support and observability tools for a speedy resolution. You also get cost efficiency because as instantly as Speedscale provisions its own cloud capacity for non-production environments, it also lets them go just as quickly, so there are fewer dings on the cloud bill. No-touch service resiliency that pays for itself, like a smart SRE forecast for every software release. The superpower of continuous resilience is now in easy reach for developers. Speedscale. Ask for a demo today at speedscale.com.